Hey guys, just a quick update of the car. It's been put in high fill, so all the repairs are complete, and it's been re-epoxied, and it's sat like that for a week, and now it's been put in high build primer or high fill, and we're getting very close to paint. So we can see the body line is nice now. Do a bit more of a walk around. Have a look down the side. Go to the other end. So it should be ready to be painted soon. Just going to sit in high fill for a couple of weeks to a month, and then it'll be ready to paint. Alright guys, thought it was a nice day. I had the day off today. Might go back and check in on the spray painter and see what the progress of the car is, because apparently he said he had all the black done on the inside, so all the inside of the cabin's painted now. So I'm curious to see if he's actually done that or not. So I figure head down today and see what's been done. And also I've got a whole bunch of door locks and latches and strikers at the electroplater, and so that all has been there for about a month now, and he's taking his time getting all that done. And I want it all done actually, because the painter's going to need all that stuff once the car's painted to do the final alignment on all the panels. So hopefully that'll be done by the end of the week as well. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's go down to the painter. Right, we finally have some colour on the car. Interior's been done in semi-gloss black. I reckon a few weeks she'll have paint on it. Getting to the tail end of it now.